Alrighty, so here is my self-selected virtual library. Coming into this, I wasn't really excited about it, but once I started picking my books and reading through them again, I really got excited and ready to read some more. So there are a few of my favorites. I know Night and Farewell to Manzanar are two of them, just because they take you to a different world and help you experience different things that you wouldn't necessarily be able to even imagine on your own. It just kind of puts life into perspective. I also have a lot of children's books, Whoever You Are, Llama Llama Time to Share, Pout Pout Fish, and Sandwich Swap, which touch on basic ideas that children really need to learn, like sharing, self-acceptance, understanding emotions, and being able to work through conflict. I know as of right now, I barely started reading poetry, and Milk and Honey and The Sun and Her Flowers are my favorite. I really love Rupi Kaur, and she's able to really touch your heart, especially if you've gone through certain experiences. Um, I would definitely use those two books in a high school setting, just like most of the chapter books that I have. Um, Lois, I know one of my assigned books was The Giver, which is part of a quartet. So I mentioned Gathering Blue here, which is an awesome book. On the other side, I have Number the Stars, which is another amazing book. I also have The Help, which and Esperanza Rising, which also hits a lot of key historical events that happen that we as teachers need to really mention and focus on, and realize that this is a time for growth and acceptance and love rather than hatred.